Yawning Yoga, written by Laurie Jordan, illustrated by Diana Mayo. Yawning yoga helps me unwind, thank my body, my spirit, my mind. So after PJs, brush and comb, I settle down with a gentle om, connecting with the soothing sound, connecting with the world around. Let's begin with an om. Sit or stand tall. Breathe in deeply and then exhale, making the sound of om for as long as you comfortably can. Repeat 3 times. Mountain, Tadasana. Stand with arms at your side and feet hip distance apart. Keep your eyes focused on a point in front of you. Breathe in and out. Imagining you are a mountain. Steady and strong, a mountain so tall, quiet and still, I wait for nightfall. Inhale, exhale, my breathing slows. Rooted, reaching, air through me flows. Hugs and kisses, Uttanasana. Start in mountain pose. Inhale, stretching your arms up to the sky. Exhale, folding at your hips and let your arms dangle. After several breaths, slowly roll back up to stand in mountain pose. My head drops down like the setting sun to kiss my knees now day is done. Fingers wrap hugs around my toes. I take a deep breath and then my eyes close. Dogtired down dog, Adho Mukha Shavasana. Starting on your hands and knees, tuck your toes into the floor and lift your bottom into the air. Keep your arms straight and strong. Let your head hang loosely and gently shake it yes and no. Gently rock your bottom from side to side. Lift one leg at a time and wiggle it slowly. It's fun to be a dog. Pretend! Down on all fours like my best friend. I wag my tail and nod my head. Then shake each leg and climb in bed. Seashell, balasana. Start on your hands and knees. Then sit back, bringing your bottom to your heels. Stretch your arms out in front of you with palms down, or let your arms relax along the sides of your body, palms up. Rest your forehead on the floor and close your eyes. Ready for rest, I curl up like a shell. My breath becomes a calming swell. A wave rolls in. Count 1, 2, 3. A wave rolls out. Back to the sea. Butterfly, baddha konasana. Sit up tall and bring the soles of your feet together, forming your butterfly wings. Breathing in Lift your knees, breathing out. Lower your knees. Continue flapping your butterfly. A butterfly flaps its wings in the breeze, flexing and stretching, flying with ease. After a ride through shining moonbeams, I settle down in time for sweet dreams. Bedtime bug, Ananda balasana. Lie on your back, pull your knees into your chest, and hold the outer edges of your feet with your hands. Open your knees as wide apart as your torso. Move slowly from side to side to massage your lower back. A bedtime bug rocks to and fro, back and forth with nowhere to go. Rocking left and rocking right helps me sleep all through the night. Jelly belly. Jathara parivartasana. Lie flat on your back and bring your knees into your chest. Open your arms out to each side like the letter T. Slowly drop your knees to the left side and take 3 to 5 full breaths. Slowly bring your knees back to your chest and then drop them to the right, taking 3 to 5 more breaths. When muscles feel all tense and tight, I do this stretch before each night. I twist right round like a roll with jelly to soothe my back, my legs, my belly. Candlestick. Viparita Karani. Lie on your back and rest your legs against a wall. Wiggle your toes. Keep your arms down alongside your body. To keep your neck safe, keep your eyes on your toes. Legs be nimble, legs be quick. Legs upright like a candlestick. Legs be lively, legs reach high. Flicker like flames right up to the sky. Catch and release, Dharana. Lie on your back with your arms at your side. Close your eyes and relax your body. Picture in your mind the fireflies being released from a jar. Let go of your thoughts or worries so your mind is ready to rest. Allow enough time to let your worries fly away. Like fireflies caught up in a jar, my worries spark like little stars. I open the lid and worries release. With one deep sigh, I am now at peace. Thankful. Yoga Nidra and Shavasana. Lie on your back and begin by saying goodnight to your face, neck, shoulders, arms, hands, and fingers. Then say goodnight to your chest, ribs, and stomach. Finally, say goodnight to your hips, legs, feet, and toes. Take a big breath in and let out a big sigh. Now that your whole body feels comfortable and relaxed, close your eyes. Be quiet and still for a few minutes. To thank my body, now day is done. Each part I name, going one by one, relaxing down from head to toe. Sink into the earth and let it all go. Namaste. Bring your hands together in front of your heart. Say, Namaste. This is the way I finish the day. Hands at my heart, I say, Namaste. The light in me sees the light in you. I bow my head and my light shines through. The end. Namaste, sweet dreams.